Doing fantastic. I have a question. Someone told me, sir, can you go through this question? That's no problem. So we have a straight line L1 with the equation 4x minus y equals 0. So I rearrange it because y equals 4x. Better to deal with that. And the equation of line 2, which is 2x plus 3y minus 21 equals 0. And they intersect at point A. Work out the coordinates of A and work out the area of the triangle AOB, where O is the origin and B is the point where L2 meets the x-axis. So straight away here it's a complicated question because we need to visualize what's going on, area of a triangle. So I always say to students, grab yourself a ruler. If you haven't got a graphic calculator, that's absolutely fine. Let's sketch these lines. So you can be very, very confident at A level. You have to be excellent at sketching graphs. You get your paper like that. You get your line, and you draw your line. So you have the following. So you have your sketch here. So our x's and y. So how on earth are we going to draw this? So we're going to rearrange this so that y is subject to formula. That will equals to the following. It will be y 3y is equals to 21 minus 2x, therefore y is equals to 21 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3x, which is simplified as y is equals to 7 minus 2 over 3x. So thinking about it, if you're thinking about the following points, if we say that this is 10, 5 would be about here, 7 would be about here. So first thing I'm going to plot is the line 7. Okay, the line 7, because that is our y-intercept. We can plot that straight away. 0, 7 is that point. Then I point any value. Because we have 2/3, I'm going to put x equals 3. If I put x equals 3 here, I get y equals 5. So if I think about it, 1, 2, 3 here, and 5 would be in the middle. If I'm saying that is 10, and 5 would be about there. So now I get my ruler. And I join the points. So I'm going to just remove this one, and remove this one, move the ruler, and I'm going to move this line, this line like this, so I have more on that side, and I'll rub out this area. Okay, so now I can actually work better now if I remove this area. So we'll plot the points again, so therefore we can actually see the point plotting. So we say that it's y is equals to 7 minus 2 over 3x, and the other one was y equals 4x. And we said that because you have a y-intercept 7, it will be, if we call that 10, that is going to be 5. 7 would look like something about here. Then we said we put x equals 3 in the first equation, and we have the following, which is going to be 2 times 2 over 3, which is just practically going to give me 5 if I put x equals 3 here. And if I do 1, so if you think about 2, 4, 5, 5 would be about there. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you put 5 here, so if I say 2, 4, 6, so 2, 4, 6, 5 would be about there. So I can say that 5 would be about here. So therefore, 2, 3, so let's say there. So now grabbing the ruler, we join the dots. So if you've got a graphic calculator here, you can just cruise through this question straight away. So if we join the dots now, we can see this line goes there, and we can extend our line, this one, to meet the point there. Okay, so now we've done that one. We're going to do the easy one, y equals 4x, which is basically this line, which is this line here. Therefore, it's going to start at 0 and 1, and put x equals 1 here. So x equals 1 means y equals 4. If we know the 5 is going to be here, 4 would be about right there. So change the color to red, and I'll draw the line. This is just a visualization. I thought I'd do this with you so you can see what's happening. That's the point there. You can see we created a triangle there. Okay, so now we've done the triangle. Let's answer the questions. The question says, the first one, work out the coordinates of A. That is A. So we have two lines intersecting, means that we have to do a solving a quadratic simultaneous. So 4x minus y is equal to 0, and we know that 2x plus 3y is minus 21 is equals to, so minus 21 equal to 0. So therefore we can say that y is equals to 4x. We're going to take this y, we're going to shove it into here, so 2x plus 3 lots of 4y minus 21 equal to 0. So 2x plus 2x, that's 4x, because 4x is there, plus 12x minus 21 equals 0. So all I've done is I took the y, wherever I see the y, I'm going to place a 4x. So it'll be 3y, that means 3 lots of 4x. Then expanding that gives me 14x minus 21 equal to 0. So 14x equals 21. So therefore x is 21 over 14, which is equals to, basically, if you divide everything by that, you get 3 over 2. Divide everything by 7, you get 3 to the top and 2 at the bottom. That means the x coordinate here is 3 over 2, and we need to find the y coordinate. So we get the y coordinate, we go back to the 4x, and we say shove that one in the x there. So y will be equal to 4 lots of 3 over 2, which is equal to 6. Therefore, this point here is 6. So we know that the height, therefore, of the triangle is going to be 6. Okay, so we have the height of the triangle is going to be 6. Then it says work out the area of the triangle AOB. So that's our origin O, and that is our point B, and that is our A, AOB. So we are missing the length of the triangle. How is the length of the triangle? The height we found, which was 6, because it's the height of point A. So to find the length of the triangle, what we do is we say we need to know at point B it meets the x-axis, which means that our value for x would be 0. Okay, so our value for x here, so we need to get a value for x, and we know that a value for y will be 0, because here is 0. So what we do is we look at the original equation, 2x plus 3y minus 21 equal to 0, and we ask ourselves, 2x plus 3y minus 21, if we place 0 for the y, so 2x plus 3 lots of 0 minus 21 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x will be equals to negative 21. So 2x will be equal to 21. So x is 21 over 2. And that is the value of x here, which also translates to the length from 0 to b is 21 over 2. From 0 to b is 21 over 2. So now we can find the area of the triangle, because we have a base, which is 21 over 2. We have a height, which is 6. And the formula states that base times height divided by 2, or half times base times height. So if I remove this now, we can find half times the base, 21 over 2, times the height, 6 over 1. So that will give me 4 at the bottom, and 126, which is also equals to simplifies to 63 over 2 for my area. Again, these questions, guys, are difficult, I know, but they are not that hard when you do about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you do 10 questions of something very, very similar to this, you'll get it. I'm going to post for you also packs for coordinate geometry very, very soon, so you can have examples of a lot of questions about finding the area of a triangle. I hope this helps. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon, guys. As always, toodles, and have a fantastic